Guys, I have got to show you this little bitty tiny bird. Just fresh hatched. His or her brothers and sisters have not hatched yet. But this is a brand new baby bird. Mom, what kind of birds are these?
Finches.
Finches.
Purple finch. Are the birds?
A little baby purple finch. Sure enough.
Just one or all of them?
Just one.
Oh.
I don't see any cracks on the others or anything, but
Okay.
boy, he's got his mouth open too.
He knows what to do, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
Ugly little thing.
Oh, look how little.
Oh, he's tiny. Tiny, tiny. Here, I'll put my finger down there for
Yeah, let me find out where
to see how the size. I mean, that's my finger right next to him. That's how tiny he is.
I think I'm missing the pot here.
That is a tiny little bird.
Keep your hand over the, oh, I see it now, yeah.
Well, hopefully the others will hatch soon.